Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. I looked on Reddit recently and saw a question was, why are everybody buying vinyl windows? Good question. Let's talk about it. Okay, so whenever you're talking about windows, and there's so many different options, but some options are for a very specific style of house, maybe a very specific style altogether for the customer themselves. The great thing about vinyl windows is, for one, they're a fantastic insulator. Fiberglass is a great insulator, but both of those windows are up in price. They're a lot more expensive and harder for most people to purchase. Let's talk more about the vinyl windows. They're less expensive, they have great performance numbers, they come with great warranties, and there's a lot of options that you can do for vinyl windows. For most people, it's a no-brainer. They think, well, okay, so I can save some money and I'm gonna get the energy efficiency that I want, great. And it comes with a great warranty. People who sell primarily wood windows are gonna say,
well, vinyl's cheap, it's garbage, it's gonna fall apart, it's gonna start yellowing, it's gonna do all these different things.
Because they wanna sell a wood window, or they wanna sell a fiberglass window, or whatever the case is, right? The other thing, you're gonna get with a vinyl windows is that you can do retrofitting. Most of my customers here do retrofitting because super easy. The instant energy efficiency, you don't have to break stucco, you don't have to do drywall repairs or anything like that. If you have a really good standing house that has great stucco, it just has old windows and it gets hot as heck in the house, okay, well, all you have to do is just do a retro replacement. And it's amazing. Save some money, and then save money in the long run as well. And you can't beat these lifetime warranties that you're gonna get with these windows. It's amazing. That is why there are so many customers really looking for a cost-effective option, vinyl windows. And again, not all vinyl windows are created equal. If you get a cheap vinyl window, then all the guys that were saying, when they're saying those windows are gonna fail, they're right. Those windows are going to be bad in 5 years or so, maybe even less. They're just not good windows. You gotta go with a high-grade vinyl. Do it once, do it right the first time, get yourself a great vinyl window. They're gonna be fantastic, they're gonna last you a lifetime. I hope this answers your question. Make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.